So this is it. Oh?
Fire again! End this now!
Communication, sir! All ships destroyed!
I need to know why!
Sir, I don't know!
Impossible! There's no one near this sector possessing that kind of firepower. Sensor scan.
Nothing detected, sir.
It could be a cloak, sir.
Fire! Blast the area! Status report.
Lower decks report damage. Propulsion down to 60%. Possible hull damage.
Sir, unknown ship appearing directly above us.
Identify.
Unknown ship class. It's definitely the hostile vessel.
Vessel closing in. Distance 2,000. 1,500.